Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name coupling lever and with this drawing. We start by creating this sketch. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a line with the length of 68 plus 151, a very long line. It is a construction line. This distance is 68. And we place the line on the center point. Good. Now we use the line to create other lines. I start from here to somewhere here, horizontal, vertical. Now just at the end of this line, but we'll place that constraint after finish this sketch. Down, left at this level, and I connect these two by press the left button here and continuing to the other line. They are tangent. Good. This point is on this line. This line is on this point, also the other one. It is already placed, this constraint. I place this on this line, and you see we cannot move this because they were placed on the same vertical. Equal are this line with this line, this with this. Then I place in the same point these two arcs. Dimensions, radius 18, equal also these two about this axis practically. This is 14, this is 36, 20, 28, and 40 here. Same dimensions are on the left. 20, 36, 28, and 40. Oh, I cannot place this. Why? Because this is with a certain dimension and it is continued here. But this is not on this point. I have to change this coincident. I eliminate this, also this. I draw a line here, trim, and 28. You see, this is not on this line. Okay, we have a fully constrained sketch, finished sketch, and we leave it as it is. Now we create another sketch on this plane, F5 to see the previous view, and we project in the new plane this long line, 219. This is the center point and we don't need to project here. Then I hide the previous sketch because we don't need it now. We use this line for the next step. You see here and here 2 points. Then we draw lines, horizontal, press the left button, go here with tangent up, press the left button, horizontal, then we press the left button again. Now we don't press the left button, we go here, we turn an arc, parallel to this is the new line, then press the left button, go up, left, and once again press the left button. I didn't place tangent here. I place coincident some points. Then I want to place on the same vertical this end point with the left end of the line, and also I cannot do this because I have to draw a line and apply tangent here. I trim this because I want to have fully constrained sketch at the end, and this is construction. Good. Here is another missing tangent. I suppose this, yes, this is, and I apply some dimensions. This is radius 13, this is radius 11, and radius 28, also 28 here. Distance is, this is 70, and this is 80. Other two dimensions are this one 86 and we make collinear this line with this line. Finish sketch, and you see the other sketch. I make this visible, and now we can use the intersection of extrusions here, but I have to move this sketch up here. To do this, I create a plane based on this one and containing this point. This plane is here. Then the last sketch, the sketch number 2, I move this up and I redefine this sketch to be placed on this plane. You see, the sketch is here and I move it up. Good. Now I create another plane based on this one and containing this point. I apply extrude of this area to this plane. Okay, now I apply again extrude with intersection to this face. You see? Intersection for create a volume. Okay. I don't need them anymore. And we have the first volume. Now we have to add another volume, this one. Dimensions are 138 from this end point, center point, and in the middle of these two faces, starting from 10 millimeters up from this face, length of 27, diameter 22. Let's do this. We create a new plane based on this up at 10. New sketch here for a circle with diameter of 22. I project this arc and I place that dimension between the two of 138. I project also this line and I place on the same horizontal this point with this line. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction 27. This is not necessary anymore, so we have all the external volumes. Next we have to create a pocket here. You see this pocket. Dimensions are here. New sketch on this plane. Then we place a circle with a radius 7 here and also here. We project this line, also this, and also this arc, and this arc. We project this circle and we place dimensions. This is 19. This is 93. And we also project this line to place on the same horizontal this center with the midpoint of this line. Now lines. We start with this line parallel with this edge, going here, press the left button and go to the circle. We apply tangent here. Then another line from here I hover on the projected line to obtain the parallel. I press the left button and I draw an arc. Once again, tangent to here. Another arc goes from here to the circle, tangent, and this one also going to the circle with tangent. These 2 points and the center of this must be coincident. This point with this point with this point. Oh, radius. We place here dimensions. This is 10. And we have a fully constrained sketch. Trim of these 2 arcs. Finish sketch. And the depth of the pocket is here. 8 is this dimension, 14 is this dimension. We have to place an expression. Extrude of this with cut on a distance of 14 minus 8 divided by 2. Okay. Now we create a mid-plane between this plane and this plane, because we have to apply mirror of the last feature about this plane. You see the result here. Good. Now the holes. 10 diameter, 10 also here, and 13 the other hole. Hole, this face, this center, 10, plus this face, this center, also 10, plus this face, this center, and 13. Okay. Undimensioned fillets are radius 2. What are they? They are here up and down, this edge, and also these 2. Let's do this. This edge, radius 2 is by default. Here, here, then to the cylinder, and this one, this one, and the pocket. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new volume is just the same. Yes. I cancel modify and we go to material, steel carbon, view shaded, then default lights. Now you see the part which is absolutely identical with the model. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.